I'm Anita. I am from East Godavari, AP. I am currently pursuing BTech second year CSC with a specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from Aditya College of Engineering, Sorampalam. Earlier, I don't have proper knowledge on internship. When do we do and where we need to do, and also benefits of having an internship. But once I get in touch with CCBP, I have learned all these details and seeing my progress and also learnings. CCBP hiring team have approached me for giving an internship. There I have dealt with a mock interview where I have learned how to present myself in a real interview and also how to explain my projects and all. And with the following instructions and also the things that I have learned from them, I could crack a real interview. I felt very excited when I got this internship. And also my parents were proud that I got this internship in my second year itself. I still remember the day when I built the first website on my own, started to build the websites and also web pages for the various occasions. Actually, few of my friends were also doing the internship, but they were paying to the company in return. But in my case, I have got this internship with a good stipend, and by undertaking this internship, I can develop the necessary skills and also values, and also a good internship would definitely attract my future hiring managers that would be more fetching for my future career. I have started my journey in CCBP with just a basic knowledge. Now I could just learn the new technologies and also the languages very quickly. I feel that it would be good for us if we join in the BTech first year itself, so that we can learn all the concepts clearly and slowly. I would like to thank my parents for believing me and joining me in this CCBP academic course, and also I would immensely thankful for the entire team of Next Wave for constantly mentoring me and guiding me.